What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. We back in another beautiful day in paradise. So today I'm getting another mod on the Camaro, man. Like, the mods just do not stop, man. I just keep getting blessed. That's one thing I must say, man. But I'm not gonna tell y'all what the latest mod is. I'm gonna just show y'all when I get it, when I install it, man. So y'all stay tuned and keep watching. Yeah, so right now I'm heading up to go see my boy Danny at That Real Car Guy on IG, man. Like same guy that got me the MSD intake manifold, man. Like I'm going to see his build, man. I'm so excited for him, man. I'm excited for anybody who goes the heads and cam route and stay NA, because it's easy to go boosted, you know. Very easy to go boosted, man. And everybody chasing that boosted lifestyle. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I may go boosted like down the end of the road, probably like Pro Charger or whatever, based on my setup, because I don't want to switch like everything up there, going to like a root style blower. But yeah, I'm going to see him, see his new build. His build just got built by GPI. I'm not going to say too much about it. Only thing I'm going to say is that he doing some nice numbers. If you want to share the numbers, I'll let him do that. But I'm going to visit him, man, and yeah, y'all see when I get there. Plus, I'm getting something for the Camaro too, man. I don't want to share too much, man, because it's like so much going on, man. And my boy looking out for me, man. He looking out for me, but I'm looking out. He looking out for me because he getting blessed on his side too. What he getting, man, and it's just, we happy for each other, man. That's what car people is all about. So I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, man. So this is the mod that we have on the Camaro so far, man. So I'm here with my boy Danny. Say what up to him.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing?
Yeah, so this is my boy Danny. This who got me the MSD. Like, I bought the MSD from and getting the Anderson Composite hood from him, man. So this is the latest mod. But also, while we're here though, besides this is like minor. He just did a major spec on his build right here, as y'all can see. So y'all go ahead and we'll turn the fan off for a minute, because he like cooling it off, man. This is his baby. Like, this man takes care of his car more than I do. So
Big pride.
So big Camaro guy. He followed me on my channel before I came out here. He from Michigan too, but he moved out here before I did. So he understands the culture out there in Michigan. So go ahead and explain to him your build, your name, where they can follow you at, and everything.
All right, so you guys can follow me at That Real Car Guy. I'm on YouTube and Instagram as well. Go ahead, give me a follow. But I just recently got this car built up by Gottney Performance out there in Arkansas, Little Rock. I had these guys go ahead and do their stage 4 heads and cam build. We went with a high revving setup on this one, high compression setup on this one. So we're at 13.5 to 1 compression.
Ooh, he telling you details, boy.
It's pretty high compression in there. The heads inside are all fully done up. I've got CHE,
Y'all see that right
trunnion
there?
kit inside of there. 7,000 springs, so it can rev higher.
See, he didn't cheap out on this, man.
No,
on his build. And on welds, man. Look, welds on the front with the Hoosiers. He is not playing, man.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you want me to give him a startup, you want to...
Yeah, go ahead and give him a startup.
Okay.
So while he doing a quick startup on that, this was his MSD manifold, so that's why I got it from him, man. I seen him run numbers at the track here with this build, man, and seeing him go from this to this, like, it's phenomenal. And this man went through the whole build of manifolds. He went from the stock to the LT2 like me to the MSD to this. Yeah. So he knows it. He just step by step. Yeah, so he understands the whole building process. So we're gonna let him get this startup with this monster, man.
Here for just a second.
Holy shit, bro. Bro. This man recorded it, and the video don't do no justice. This is badass, man. Badass build. Look, K-Tech 103 throttle body. Like, this man did it in incremental steps like how I did, so you can show, like, hey, what's good, what's not good. But this is nice, man. So for somebody like this, like one of the similar build like this, like, what do you think, like, it would cost, like, bare bones?
So going this high of a build, you got to do quite a bit to the heads, etc.
Okay.
This is more in the $15,000 range.
That's not bad. That's
so
not
not too
bad.
bad.
That's not bad. So you see what he gets right there, and he got a full, like, he did it right, like a full drag racing build, and then my build is more like full drag, like not drag, but like road course build. So you can't cheap out on these builds like that. As you can tell, like, when you want to get to the high horsepower range, like, you had no choice but to go with the MSD or the high ram. Like, these are your only options out there. So major shout out to Danny. I appreciate him, like, showing me his car. I'm like one of the few people. I don't want him to, like, this build is like new. Like, literally, he just got this win, like, last week?
Last week,
Yeah, like last week. So I'm not, just because we don't know who follow my channel, I don't want to share his numbers. He don't want to share his numbers. And that's how we're going to leave it like that, because this car is stoked out, and I'm going to let him run his numbers at the track so people can see it for themselves. I'm not going to share it on my channel. But him, this is what he had before. Like, now this is the latest build, the carbon fiber. He already, what you do to this already? Can you tell him what you did to this? Because I know you waxed it.
So when I got it, it was in pretty rough condition.
Okay.
The owner had let it sit outside for a while. So I went through and I cut and buffed it, and I tried to get it, you know, to look good that way.
Okay.
It didn't really look good that way.
Okay.
So I decided to go ahead and put a clear coat on this. So I actually ended up putting 4 coats of clear on this.
Okay.
It did before. When you guys get a little bit more light, you'll see it. I imagine he'll show you.
Okay.
It has like a little rainbow effect to it, and that clear was already on it before.
Okay. Okay.
I just left it on there and enhanced it with just a little bit more thicker coats of clear.
Okay. Okay.
So freshly clear coated, been cut and buffed a bunch of times to make it really shiny.
Yes, and he does do work. So if you guys in the local area, he do porting. Like, I didn't have to port mine. Like, he ported the MSD really clean.
Yep.
And he does paint work like this. So if you guys need anything in the area, Arizona, this the guy to come to, man. I trust his work, man. So
Yep, give me a holler.
yeah. So we're gonna finish installing this because we got it half-ass, like, sitting right here right now. So y'all see the finishing results when it's out in the sun right here. So we'll check back in later.
Blueprint 1LE over at the crib right now. He got those slicky tires on for the road course. Yeah. Oh, look at that on here. That mug looks really fucking good.
Nice. Look how the rainbow is just shining off of it, like he said, man. Whew. Yeah, this is way more aggressive. Way more aggressive looking. Yeah.
Dude, that looks real good on your car, man.
Like the rainbow of it, it just. Woo-wee. Car dirty, but the hood is clean though. Like, the car is dirty from the track day, man. Like, but the hood, he did his little waxing on here for me. Like, this is clean, man. And like, just because I got this, like I said, he going with the Kobo on there tonight. He's getting the Kobo on there, so even my wedding band, like, it's carbon fiber, man. Look, see, it's in us, man. So yeah. All right, man. So that is going to wrap this video up, man. The beautiful day of AZ, man, with the palm trees, man. Like, just one quick glance around there, man. Like, look at that. Look at that carbon fiber, man, on there. Nice. Nice, man. Just finished the look completely. Now I got to go wash it. So that's what we about to do, man. That's how I'm going to wrap this video up, man. So like that, man, if y'all like this video, man, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man.